Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe.
So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Big week this week. A lot going on. Actually, in Poland, yesterday was or Sunday was the voting day. So a lot of big numbers coming out yesterday of who's winning and who the parties are, and we'll probably you hear a little bit more about that later. Winston, good to see you.
All right, Craig, how are you?
Yeah, good weekend and everything.
Very nice weekend, thanks. Yeah,
Excellent.
ready for a busy week.
Ready for Budapest this week, yeah,
That's right,
and then our CRE awards. Well, let's talk a little bit about the news and the headlines.
Yeah, sure. So today we've got a report from JLL, which they say that investors are still adopting a wait-and-see approach. Alfie RE has expanded its investment portfolio in Croatia with an office acquisition. Nepi Rockcastle has opened Promenada Craiova in Romania, and Polish retailer Wichan has opened its first store in Romania, and Wing is to build a new hotel at the Budapest airport.
Oh, great. So quite a lot of things going on in Wing and Budapest Airport, a little bit with our CRE awards coming up there, I guess. Well, good. I spent the last few days in North Cyprus, which was quite interesting property market growing, residential property, a lot of good opportunities for investment, pretty warm weather as well. Kind of 27, 28 degrees there every day. So
a bit of a shock to the system when you got back here, I would imagine.
I'm thinking it could be a nice area to move the office to. We'll see how it, it's a little cooler back here. But anyway, we'll probably keep you updated on a few. We got a couple of the big developers and agents there that we also met with, and a lot of big projects, a lot of really nice stuff to invest in and to live there if you want to live there. So new airport, a lot of interesting things going on.
Well, on the residential side, what's it look like? Does it look like houses, or is it apartments, or is it like big office or towers on the seaside, or I mean, what's going on there?
A little bit of both, depending on where you which part of the island you're in. There's one part that's more towers and kind of beach club and kind of excitement.
More sort of tourist orientated, yeah.
Tourist oriented, also just living there. It's more things happening, more restaurants, more nightclubs, beach clubs, stuff like that. And on the kind of the other side of I guess I could say the other side of the island, which is 30 minutes away, it's more kind of suburbia on the beach or on the I would say on the coast, sea view places, and
a bit more picturesque. And
a little bit less, a little bit quieter. Let's say you wouldn't like it. It's more interesting than the busy, exciting beach club part. But both very nice, and and the property prices. Your mother talking about buying stuff off plan and selling it before it opens, or before it gets built. So
there's like a good opportunity for somebody who knows what they're doing.
It does. So if you want to know any other information, let us know. We'll put you in direct contact with. There's they said something like there's 700 agencies there, and only 100 of them with licenses. So be careful when you're looking for agencies. Make sure they actually have a license, or just drop me a line and I can put you in touch with the guys that we talk to there who do have a license and seem to be and are working with the top developers. But anyway, this week, big week. Tomorrow we're going to do our jury dinner for the CRE awards in Budapest at the InterContinental Hotel. A lot of jury members. The next day we have our morning forum networking gala in the evening. So if you're in Budapest, could be in Budapest, let us know. We'd definitely like to have you attend. You can register or buy tickets online still on creawards.net, or just drop me a message. Happy to reserve some for you, and our team will follow up. So right now we'll just take a little bit of a break, and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. So welcome back, Winston. Again, good to see you. Glad it looks like here summer is over
Yeah,
here
it's
in
well and truly
Warsaw.
over. We had a good run though this year. I think we had a
It
very good
was
run.
very nice. Yeah. So it looks like
It
it's
was
kind of
on Saturday 23 degrees.
yeah. So it wasn't bad. Yeah, yeah. So but I guess at night it was getting a bit cold pretty
Yeah, I mean
quick.
not
Yeah.
bad for mid-October, is it really? You know, but I think it's finally now autumn's arrived
I felt
officially.
when I got off the plane, it was like at least fall has arrived or
Yeah.
autumn has really arrived, and
Mhm.
the door is shut for summer. I think, yeah, no more warm days for a while.
Well, fingers crossed. You never know.
Yeah, yeah, that's well. Let us know on the news and what exciting things are going on there.
Yeah, so JLL has released a report, and investment activity remains low due to increased financial costs and the uncertain outlook in the region. And as a result, the rise in interest rates has had a significant impact on transaction valuations and investment activity, leading to many challenges in determining the size, the speed, and duration of prices around the region. And therefore, only 2.3 billion euros was transacted in Central and Eastern Europe in the first half of 2023, which is quite substantially down
Yeah,
on
yeah.
previous years. And according to Dmytro Havrylenko, head of capital markets at JLL, he says that although certain global players are adopting a cautious wait and see approach, investors from CEE are actively engaging in the market, and unleveraged buyers are particularly competitive. So yeah, so I've been reading a lot about local investors have been the main players this year.
Well, yeah, Inditex,
From Hungary,
from
yeah.
Hungary, looking up here as well. Quite a few other Czech
Yeah,
ones are always.
Czechs coming into Poland and stuff. Yeah.
What's the other one that's in Romania now, or from Czech is Pavo Holdings?
Right. Yeah, they did a lot of stuff in Romania.
Yeah, they're buying up a lot.
And you've got Tregear that's come into Poland from the Czech
mhm.
Republic. So yeah, a lot of national investors, domestic investors, so to speak.
Yeah, yeah. It seems like a lot of deals like 40 million, 50 million, right?
Yeah, lower volume deals
Mhm.
seem to be the name of the day today.
Well, nothing wrong with those, yeah.
I hope
Yeah,
not.
yeah.
Moving on, and Alfie Real Estate has expanded its presence in the Croatian real estate market, and they've added to their investment portfolio and acquired the Matrix B office building in Zagreb. And this has propelled their fund value to over 100 million euros. And this particular building offers 10,500 square meters of leasable space, and it's fully occupied. And it was delivered in 2020, and it has a LEED Platinum certification. So there's obviously good for buyers having these LEED Platinum certifications.
Yeah.
So
And a little bit too on the office, another office transaction.
yeah, another office transaction, and in Zagreb as well. So
Yeah.
it's a very competitive market down there, I would
A
imagine.
lot happening in SEE.
There is, yeah, and staying in the SE region, and Nepi Rokosso has opened their Promenada Craiova shopping centre, which is a 136 million euro development. And according to CBRE, this is the biggest development of size and price so far for 2023, and it's attracted a host of international brands. And commenting on the new development is Rudiger Dani. He's the CEO at Nepi Rokosso.
Sure.
And says international retailers increasingly recognise that the pace of economic and retail market growth and rise in household incomes across the region, combined with lower operating costs and higher margins, present a far more compelling opportunity than what is generally on offer in more mature and saturated Western European retail markets. So yeah, really singing the praise of our region there.
Yeah, well, I think we always think, oh, there's never going to be another big shopping center, and there always is a big one opening somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, Romania is a little bit behind the curve, I think, and this is not in Bucharest either. This is this is in the regional city.
Right,
so and it's a massive. It's 80,000 square meters. So it's got it's 99.9% leased.
Wow, I wonder what little part is not leased. Maybe something we can lease and run our magazine business out of there. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah,
And staying in Romania, and Witchen, which is a Polish retail brand, they've expanded to Romania, and they've opened their first store in the country, which is in the Park Lake Shopping Centre, which was developed by Sona Sierra. And this deal was brokered by Cushman & Wakefield Equinox. And according to Cushman & Wakefield Equinox, commenting on Romania, and they say Romania is an attractive market market for Central Eastern European retailers in a region where local entrepreneurs have managed to build strong brands with an active presence throughout the continent, including Romania. Yeah, and they continue that. There's international retailers are hitting that market, and so it's
well, Park Lake's one to go into if you're going to do a
right.
flagship
That
store.
one's in the capital as well, and I mean Romania population of 40 million, whatnot. So it's like second biggest country.
And they're traveling a lot, so they need suitcases, witching. So
suitcases, travel accessories, and premium leather goods.
Yeah.
And finally, for today, moving to Budapest, and a new hotel representing a new brand from the Accor Group is to open at the Ferenc Liszt International Airport. It's going to be developed by Wing in cooperation with the airport, and the handover expected in 2025. And it's called a New Tribe Hotel, and it's going to have 8,000 square meters and 167 rooms, and will serve both business and leisure travelers. And according to Noah Steinberg, President and CEO of Wing, based on existing guest demand and the success achieved, Tribe will arrive in 2025. This will be the brand's second unit in Hungary, alongside the hotel and the mixed-use Liberty building that we also developed.
Yeah, I mean, Noah, one of our jury members on the CRE Awards. So he'll be there with his team, actually, also at the awards, or the team will be there for sure. I know that Noah will be at the jury dinner. Wing doing a lot, Poland, Germany, Hungary, of course.
Very active and very, very big in the region today.
Right. Well, good to see all that going on. Of course, we're here once a week. We're always at Panettoni Cafe. Today on Tuesday, great breakfast to start things off. Great coffee, always a great place to sit to kick off the week here in the center of town, center of Warsaw. We hope you're all enjoying yourselves, and come to our CRE Awards in Budapest this week, or Warsaw next week at our CEE Investment Awards. I saw a lot of investors signed up for that. So always good to, maybe the numbers are down, but the investor numbers are up.
Yeah, the amount of awards and the amount of people we got coming, it's looking it's going to be like a very, very good event.
A lot of fun. So enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you in Budapest.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.